Hello everyone, this is RevolverMan, back with yet another Wiremod tutorial. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a Jeep with a miles per hour speedometer, using a conversion factor. To start off, we're going to go ahead and spawn a Jeep. We want to raise it up and freeze it into place. To get speed using Wiremod, you use the speedometer tool, which can be found under Wire-Detection. You want to uncheck Split X, Y, and Z because of the fact that that will give you the direction of the speed, and all we want is just the speed. So we place our speedometer under the Jeep. Next, we use the divide gate, arithmetic divide, and place that divide gate right under our speedometer. Now the conversion factor for converting hammer units, which is outputted by the speedometer, to miles per hour is to divide the speedometer by 17.6. So we're going to use the gate-IO constant value, and we're going to select one value of 17.6 and place that right under our gate. Now we're going to use the wire tool. We're going to divide A by B, A being what's being divided, B being what we're dividing it by. We're going to go ahead and wire A to the speedometer because we're dividing the speedometer by our constant value. And to get to the second input, you look at the chip and you right click. Then we want to wire B to 17.6, and that will give us our speed in miles per hour. However, this number will be unrounded and will have lots of decimals that will clog up the screen. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and use gate-arithmetic. Then we want to use the floor round down gate. Next, what we want to do is place the floor gate right next to the other gate. Then we're going to use the wire tool and wire our floor gate to our divide gate. Now we have a nice even number for speed. We want to lower it down slowly, and we want to spawn a screen to display our speed in miles per hour as we drive. So now we use the screen tool, which is found under Wire-Display. We want to select Small TV, miles per hour for the text A, only one value, and use bigger value for single fonts for single value screen. Now we're going to go ahead and position this somewhere so we can see it while we're driving. Right about here. That should do it. Now we're going to use the weld tool. We're going to weld a screen to just some random part of the Jeep. Now we use the wire tool once again, and we wire our screen to our floor chip. Now that screen will output the value of our speed in miles per hour. Now I can go ahead and unfreeze the Jeep. Now if you look at the bottom right hand corner of my screen, I have a HUD with the speedometer on it. So as I drive forward, you see the speed matches the speed on the speedometer. Now I'm going to let my bud ZG Rocks get in and go ahead and give it a try and see if it works. And it does. Well, that has been another Wiremod tutorial by RevolverMan. You can check my server out, Gary's Mod Addicts, next time you're on Gmod. Thanks for watching the tutorial.